Hey everybody, welcome back to Dirty Garage Mods. This is just a quick update on the Colorado. I actually was able to start working on it. I was burned out for a while, so I just left it sitting in the yard, but finally started working on the exhaust, or the engine, and got the electrical all pulled out. It's laid out here under the hood, right, of course. It's still plugged in up here in the fuse box and stuff, but I'm not worried about that. It's out of the way. It's pretty much ready to pull. I got to do a few more things, but it's there. I pulled the exhaust off, and I noticed it had 3 exhaust gaskets on it. It's very weird. So I don't know what's up with that. Comment below if you guys know what's going on with that or why they did that, because I don't think that's factory. I think that's someone's hack job, in my personal opinion. But I could be wrong. It may need 3 of them. It may need it to be shimmed up or something. I don't know. But also, I noticed that the exhaust manifold down here, it has a crack in it. You see that there? So, which is no big deal. I was planning on replacing it with a header anyway, so, but, you know, it's still all the same. That explains the exhaust leak I had right there. The engine always sounded like crap. That's one of the reasons why. So, anyways, I plan on putting a header on it and getting rid of the cat, and well, get rid of the factory cat and put aftermarket on. Got to be within legal specs to drive it, but I want to make it a little bit louder. So, anyways, yeah. So that's where we're at. I got a buddy of mine going to loan me his engine stand, and then my dad has a hoist on his truck that we're going to use to pull the engine out with. So I won't have to move it and too much, anyways. Then I got this gazebo for my brother to use as my makeshift garage, which is helping a little bit. I do have a big industrial fan. If I have to, I could plug it into the generator and have air circulating when I'm doing this. But well, anyways, I just want to give everybody a quick update. If you know anything about these 3.7 liters, 3.5 liters would be the same engine block with a 5-cylinder. Let me know what you guys think about, or of course with the 5-cylinder. Let me know what you guys think about the exhaust manifold and gasket, and anything else that you guys might have, any feedback you might have. Maybe I did everything wrong. I mean, I'm doing it my way because I don't know how to do it the proper way. I do have a manual, but that manual does not really tell you jack shit. It's really, it tells you a little bit, but don't tell you enough on what to do, you know. It does have lists of all the trouble codes in it, which I didn't know that. I'm glad to know that now. But yeah, anyways, computer, it was there. The PCM, it was a pain in the ass to take it off. I had to take it completely off to get it out of the way. The clips are just old and needs to be really replaced, but not much I can do about that. TCM, which is transmission control module, was right here. It was easy to come out. It's just this little tab, and it slides out and unclips and it's out. So yeah, anyways, just let me know what you guys think, and comment below, and we'll go from there. So thank you for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day.